In this video we will show you how to transfer and keep your original personal settings once you update to the newest version of LusoCAD. Here we can see, in LusoCAD 2023, how we have customized the layout, fonts and colors of the program. But now that we have installed the newest version of LusoCAD 2024, these settings will not be in the newest version by default. Luckily, LusoCAD offers us a simple way to migrate our previous settings. Just look for Migrate from a previous release in your Programs folder and open it. Here we choose LusoCAD 2023 as our original version, and we can select which settings to exclude. Let's migrate all settings. And now let's open the newest version of LusoCAD. Now we can see that the settings have been applied. Let's now go over the export and import functions in LusoCAD 2024, very useful tools for situations where we update LusoCAD's build. Let's check our build and see if we have any available updates. In the Help menu, select About to get your build. Our program can be updated. Let's download the newest version from the website. But first, let's export our settings so we can easily import them once we update LusoCAD. In your Program folder, select Export LusoCAD 2024 Settings. LusoCAD has to be closed for the tool to work properly. Now choose a name and location for the settings file. Let's now update our build. We download the latest version from the LusoCAD website. If you have any issue installing LusoCAD, you can watch our video detailing the installation process in the Structural Academy YouTube channel. We have now installed the latest build, so we open the Import LusoCAD 2024 Settings program to load our previously exported file. Now we can see that our settings were properly imported and our build has been updated.